Alright guys, it is Wednesday, January 26th, 2011, and yet another snowstorm is striking the New York City area. Check it out. Yes, this one is supposed to, this one's in two parts. The first one is here as we speak, as it's 31 degrees. The second part will be a little bit later on. We're expecting all in all about maybe as much as 12 to 15 inches as much, and it's going to be crazy to see how it unfolds. Alright, so as you can see down here, most of this snow is here, but go out here and you'll find pretty slushy mess. As a car passes by. Yes, as we are here in the Bronx, here at a college. Campus is looking pretty slushy here and pretty snowy there. Yeah, and it looks like Central Park's going to measure over 40 inches for this winter. The sixth time in 9 years that would happen, pending it happens, which it most likely will. These steps are pretty slushy. To go down them carefully. Here's the fun snow. Here's where the good snow is. The crunchy one where you just step down and crunch with these deep feet print. This is the fun snow right here. These people try to shovel out the snow.
You paid a lot of money for this shit, right? You like tend to push him into it. Let's do that.
And over here we've got a pretty nice snowpack from previous storms, and look how deep it is now in the grass. In fact, check that out. Deep, huh? Just look how pretty the trees are with this snow. Let's sort of continue to stop a little bit, then go on through the night. What a crazy winter this has been.